like more on the left side, right in here, or more on the right side?
Right side.
Yeah. Oof, right there, T2. Okay, so take a nice deep breath in. And I'm just gonna rotate away, out. Good, that didn't hurt at all, did it? That was easy. Okay, good. Take a nice deep breath. I'm gonna follow you down. Good. That moved really nice. Yeah, but you gotta be more consistent. I know you're doing a lot better, but now you gotta be more consistent.
Today kind of concerned me, so I'll be more consistent.
Okay, flip over, lay on your back. Mask on. Good. That's not bad there. See through right before. Drop his head down, drop it. Good. Wiggle those toes. That was it. Breathe in again. And all the way out. Good. Wow, that one was released all the way down. Good. Sit up facing the muscular man.
Oh. Better.
Better. Okay, good. Sit in this cushion if you can. Sit right here. These are still tight, so. Bring your head back into extension. So this is the toughest range of motion right here. It's like the spinal jackhammer. Doesn't hurt. Right there. Okay, let me see your range of motion now. Turn left. Better? Freer? Good, right? Not jamming up. When you go back into extension, it's still better? Okay. All right, so I would try to be a little...
It's just this one part in my neck, when I turn it, it feels a little jammed up.
See, right in here? Okay, chin down. All right, so we're going to get right in there with the instruments. Okay, sit up straight. So some people, when they talk about instruments, they want to know about activator. Right there. Perfect. Okay, how about now?
Oh yeah, wow.
Good. All right, so we like wow. Wow's a good sign.
Yeah, I mean, I'm like that after every session with you.
Good. So back here on Thursday. Okay.
Like I'm saying, today I was in the middle of talking to someone and everything was fine. I was not stressed, nothing. My neck just starts hurting and I start like putting some pressure on it.
We still got some work to do. We got some work to do. You got out of the
I
crisis
was
mode.
concerned. I'm like, wow, I'm not stressed. Like, this is ridiculous.
Well, you're in the right place. I'll see you on Thursday.
Thank you so much.